What's up, Bree?
Hi guys, welcome back to your girl's channel. If you are new here, my name is Bree. Hello and welcome to the channel. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below, sweetie, because I already know you're gonna like your girl. And go ahead and hit the notification bell so you won't miss when I post a new video. And go ahead and give the video a thumbs up because you already know it's about to be lit. So I know you guys read the title, so this video is going to be me giving my honest review on Skims. I purchased some Skims. Only purchased one outfit, y'all, because sis is not rich. Kim Kardashian's clothes is not cheap, baby. I already know. I'm pretty sure that y'all have looked at her website. Her stuff is not cheap, okay? So I'm going to be letting you know in this video, is Skims worth it? Especially for a thicker girl like myself. Does it look good on me? What do I think about the packaging? I'm just going to give you guys my insight. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Okay guys, so first things first, what I'm going to say first about Skims is they deliver super fast. I didn't pay for any expedited shipping or speedy delivery, nothing like that. This was standard delivery and it came within 3 days. So it came in this brown box via USPS, which is the best United States Postal Service. Always deliver your stuff on time with care. So okay, that's who delivered it. I haven't took it out of the box yet, y'all, so this is somewhat an unboxing as well, but this is what it looks like. It just comes in this cardboard box. It says Skims on it, and you know, you got your different skin tones, different colors right there when you open the box. So let's just get right into the product, what we came here for. So off the bat, nice packaging, I'm gonna say. I mean, you know, eco-friendly. I think that's what Kim strives to do, is to be eco-friendly. So that's why the packaging isn't too lavish. So you have this wrapped all the way around your merchandise. All right, yeah, and then the clothes are wrapped in this, which says Skims, I am not plastic. Ripping up in the non-plastic. Corolla, was that you? But anyway, y'all, so this is the first piece. I got them in the color sienna. I got a size large. Like I said, this is my first time purchasing from Skims, so I've never tried anything on, so I'm not sure how it's gonna fit. But this is like a crew neck ribbed tank top. And let's see, y'all, I gotta tell you these prices because this is expensive. She's not cheap. Okay, so this came from Kim's Lounge collection, and this is the soft lounge tank, and it is $42. Okay, yeah, I'm not even sure if I'm really about to keep this because I'm not sure if this is worth it. I mean, it feels soft, but it really do feel, I haven't tried it on yet, so slow your roll, don't go tomatoes. My opinion may change when I actually put it on my body, but right now this just feels like any other tank that I have. I'm being totally honest. It's soft, it's stretchy, but it feels like any other tank top I already have. Let's just put it on. Okay, y'all, so this is what the tank looks like. Not gonna lie, it's giving soft, feels good on my skin, it's giving stretch. It's not long, it stops about right here, right before my underwear line or my bikini line. So it's giving soft, it's giving comfortable, it's giving stretch. But is it worth $42 for a tank top? Still not really that sure, but I'm gonna keep it on for a minute. We're gonna see. Stop throwing eggs and tomatoes in me. I know y'all love Miss Kim. I like Kim too. She's a pioneer, you know what I'm saying? She gives us style and makeup tips and all that, but I'm just trying to give y'all the real tea, okay? Next up, we have the leggings. It comes in the same packaging, the non-plastic. I got these in a size large as well. They didn't come together. I purchased them separately. So right off the bat, they give them, I don't know, they might be, I don't know. They're cute. They're cute, but dare I say they're too big? I don't know. Let me put them on. I might be tripping. But these retail for a whopping $52. So my total at Skims was $99.64 after tax. So yeah, I'll do the math. All right, let's just try these on and see what they're looking like with the top. Okay, guys. So now that I have the pants on, let me give you guys a look. So before I give my opinion, y'all just look, tell me what y'all think. Okay, so first things first, I got these in a large based on their sizing chart, but I do like my clothes, especially my leggings, to fit tight. So if I were to order from Skims again, I would probably still get a large in top, but get a medium in the bottoms because I like my leggings to fit tighter on my body. I just feel like it flatters my body type more. Number 2, I'm not sure if this type of clothing flatters my particular type of body. I'm a tall, curvy woman. I don't have an hourglass figure, you know. I don't have no big old booty, you know. I mean, I got hips, don't get it twisted. But, you know, I got extra weight around here, you know, so I don't have the plastic Kim Kardashian body, you know, which is cute. I just don't have that, okay? So, I'm not really sure if this really flatters my particular body type. I guess my overall opinion of Skims, this is the only thing I've ever gotten from them, so I can't be too hard on the company. But my opinion isn't the price point. If it was probably $20 cheaper for each piece, okay, maybe I'd say, all right, it's worth it. But it's definitely overpriced for what it is. I mean, you can get something like this from Pretty Little Thing, I'm pretty sure Fashion Nova, Ross, Walmart, you know. You don't really need to break your bank for Skims. So if you feel like Skims is too expensive, it probably is. Will I be purchasing from Skims again? To be honest, probably not. Maybe for shapewear. I didn't try their shapewear, so maybe for shapewear, maybe. But for something like this, loungewear, absolutely not. I'm not rich. I'm the everyday girl. So probably not. It's a no for me. Will I keep this? Probably. It's probably gonna cost me more trouble to return it and get my money back, but I might think about it, okay? Because it ain't that great. But anyway, guys, all in all, I'm not mad at the clothing. I'm just, I'm not that impressed, if that makes sense. So, take my advice, you guys. Do with it what you will. I was completely honest. I love Kim too. You know, I'm not a Kim hater. The aesthetic of it all is beautiful. Going on the website and her Instagram for Skims is beautiful. I love the way it looks, but it doesn't necessarily flatter my body type, or do I think I want to go out of my way to spend that extra cash for loungewear like this? Probably not. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a short one. This is the end of the video. If you did like the video, even if you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs down and leave me a comment. Let me know why you didn't like it, why you disagree with me, or whatever. Or if you just hate it and just put, I'm just a hater. But if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have not already done so, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out some of my other videos, which I'm going to link on both sides of me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. I love you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later.